Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I make this creamy chicken Rasta pasta. It's literally a bomb of flavor, so delicious and super easy to make, and it's a dinner the whole family will love. First, you want to start out by filling a large pot of water, adding some salt and bringing that to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to cook your penne noodles al dente. Then I'm going to go ahead and clean my protein. I'm using chicken thighs since that's what I had in my freezer. Feel free to use whatever you like, shrimp, salmon, whatever. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean those thighs with some vinegar, lime juice, and water, and then I'm gonna rinse it until the water runs clear. You want to pat dry the chicken thighs to remove as much liquid as possible, and then season with Walker Woods hot and spicy jerk marinade. They also have a mild version. I also added onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and this all-purpose seasoning, and then I mixed that up until the chicken was nice and coated and set that aside to marinate. While it marinated, I thinly sliced some bell peppers. I'm using yellow, red, and green bell peppers, which represents the Rastafarian culture, hence Rasta Pasta. And then I'm gonna dice up a green onion, mince half a shallot, and 3 cloves of garlic. In a large skillet over medium heat, add a little bit of oil and then grill the chicken until it's cooked. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the pan. Into the same pan, you're gonna add those bell peppers and saute for a few minutes before adding in the minced shallots, garlic, and green onions. Saute those until fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're gonna reduce the heat and stir in some heavy cream and pasta water. And here I'm just chopping up my chicken, and I'm gonna set that to the side because we're gonna add that back to the pasta. You want to cook and let the sauce thicken, and then season with onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of jerk marinade. Taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. Then stir in shredded mozzarella and grated Parmesan. Mix that until nice and smooth, and then add in the cooked pasta and mix everything until it's nice and incorporated. I like to let this simmer for a few minutes to just let the noodles soak up all that delicious sauce. Then add back in that chopped chicken into the pasta. Stir until everything is well combined. Top with parsley and green onions, and voila, you have delicious jerk chicken Rasta pasta. Serve this warm with more cheese if desired, and enjoy. The full recipe is on my blog and in the description box. Let me know in the comments if you tried this. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.